I just found an excellent design. Let me show you.
It's a very cool T-Rex Cyborg by FlexiFactory.
And let's start printing. But sometimes I have second thoughts and I want to change the colors. And I love the fact that I can do it straight from the printer. We have these colors and this is what we have in the AMS. For brown I'm gonna use red. And for the body I'm gonna use this blue. Now let's start printing. And with a little bit of magic, let's go to a time lapse. And it's ready, let's peel it off.